Hello, I'm Andrew, and today we're diving into the world of control and non-printable characters. What exactly are these characters? Well, think of them as the digital equivalent of invisible ink. They're hidden commands that can disrupt how email systems process your messages. These silent stowaways might instruct an email to format text incorrectly, or they could lead an email system to suspect that your message is concealing something, potentially causing your email to be blocked or filtered into a spam folder. Fortunately, with Campaign Cleaner, you've got a handy tool at your disposal. There's a simple toggle switch to sweep away these unseen troublemakers from your emails. And it's a good practice to keep this option turned on. Let's jump into the Clean Campaign feature. Take a look at this campaign I've prepared. I'm going to zoom in so you can see everything clearly. Notice those control and non-printable characters highlighted in red on the left? Those are our culprits. And on the right, you see the potential mess they'd make in an email, certainly not something you want. There are hundreds of these types of characters. Some are completely invisible, while others display as odd symbols that can muddle your message. With the removal feature activated, let's hit Clean Campaign and watch the magic happen. Voila! As you can see, Campaign Cleaner has expunged these unwanted guests, leaving your email campaign pristine and ready for action.